Good morning, guys. It's Will. I figured I'd vlog today since a lot of you guys have been, asking where the vlogs are, both on here and on Instagram. So I figured I'd take you guys with me, us. We got Ben today, through the post-Christmas route. So it's currently 3:24. We're fixing to leave the shop, but I think it's gonna be pretty heavy today. I'm feeling 4 loads. Ben, what are you feeling?
2 loads.
2 loads. He's very ambitious. How many knot outs we pulling for?
35.
35 knot outs. I'm cool with that. But today this is gonna be fun because I got a Hauler Hero, not Hauler Hero tablet, but I got a tablet that I can run Hauler Hero on. So we have no more paper route sheets. So this is pretty cool. This is pretty convenient for me. I'll pull up the interface for you, just so I'm already logged in. I don't really want to give away too much account info, but it's pretty cool. I like the 2 little buttons down there. I don't want to show you all the addresses. But yeah, we're fixing to head out. We got 156. I don't know where I pulled 130 from. But we got 156 on the route today. Pulling for 4 loads, done at 130. That's my goal. I think Ben has other goals in mind, but he's probably hoping we'll get done at about 5 because he's hourly. So yeah, but I figured I'd take y'all with us and kind of show you some interesting parts of the route. All right, guys, here's our biggest stop. We got 6 cans right here. I don't know if you can see that. Packing that in. I think they're all full, man. Lucky day. All right, guys, we've got our first load on. It's 6:25 currently, so we've been at it for just under 3 hours. And what percent of the way done are we, Ben?
32.
32. That's pretty close to a third. So I'll round that up. I'll say we're about a third of the way done. We're heading to waste management right now. We're really not I wouldn't say we're super like packed out, but we're about to get into a new section and we finished off some outlier stops, so I'd say we're good to go dump. So I'll catch up with y'all after we dump. All right, we are heading back to the route after dumping. I know you can't see me, but we had approximately 1.5 tons on this load, so it is shaping up to be pretty heavy today. Yep. All right, so we're finishing up load 2. It's 9:37. Let's see, we got Ben out here just about halfway done, or we're over halfway done stop-wise. So not looking too bad for being on a route for 6 hours. That comes out to like 3 hours a load. It's about normal. This load isn't gonna be super heavy. I wanna say it's like 85% wrapping paper. But yeah, nothing too special about this one. No one's been like super heavy. So it's whatever. We had a bunch of heavy ones on the first section. I'll put a picture of a real heavy one right here. But yeah, we're heading to the dump now. All right, so we have dumped out load 2, just scaled out. We came in at 1.3 ton. Not too heavy, not too light. That's about a normal load. So
Yeah, that's so awesome.
thanks, Ben. Ben's real pumped about today, if you couldn't tell. So all right, unless anything interesting happens, I'll check in after we wrap load 3 up. Vlog. All right, we're finishing load 3.
No.
Yeah, this is 3.
4.
This isn't 4.
5.
All right. So it's currently 12:30. We've been at it for 9 hours.
Nope.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been.
Yep, 9 hours.
Yep, 9 hours on dot. We got probably 20 stops left, but we knew we couldn't fit it with what we have on right now, so we're just gonna go dump before we break into that new section. It's really dense, so I think I'll do some hopper footage. I've not gotten any hopper footage of 103 yet, but yeah, nothing insane has happened on this load. So, all right, just dumped out, and even though we weren't really packed out at all, we had 1.2 on here. So if you're keeping track, we had 1.5 first load, 1.3, and then 1.2. So that's 4 ton, isn't it? Do the math. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3.
Yeah.
And then 5.
3, 2.
Yeah. So, and we still got another load. So it has been heavier than usual. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do some GoPro. I know I already said that, but I'll get some hopper footage for y'all during this load because it's nice and dense. So,
Take this.
all right, route is done. It's 1:48. So left the shop just over 10 hours ago. Heading to dump the 4th load. Did some GoPro, which I will try and upload either unlisted or I'll make it public right after I upload this. If I upload it unlisted, I'll put the link in the description, so go check the description. Yeah, I'll check in with you guys after we dump, give you the final stats of today. So, all right, so the total from today, weight wise, as per Ben, was, what'd you say?
466.
4.66, so pretty close to 5. Pretty heavy day for us. We burned almost half a tank of gas, not quite. Dumped 4 times, and how many non-outs? Ballpark 7?
Yeah.
So most people had it out. So I'd say today was a good day. Sorry there wasn't too much interesting stuff, but Ben and I were both really focused on trying to get this up in a timely manner. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys want to see anything specific, and I'll be sure to make note of that. Thanks for watching.